What we're going to look at this video is how to place images, right? So there's a couple ways we can place images, and this really simple page is what we're going to look at. So in here we want to place one.jpg. So the shortcut to place is Command D. If you don't remember that, it's File, Place. Then navigate to where you are. We're going to go to one.jpg. Now, there's a couple things you can do before you actually hit open. You can do show import options, right? That's really the only other thing you can do, and do open. And so you can see color, you can change some of the space, just showing you that it's there. If you had something more difficult, you could apply clipping paths, which will show. I just want you to know that that is there. So you do OK. And what happens is it loads this icon. It loads this icon as saying, here's the image you want to place. And so as I click and drag, you can see it's going to drag it in proportion. And there it is. Right? So again, dealing with the image frame, as I place this image, you can see if I grab this, I'm actually not scaling the image at all. I am actually scaling the box or the container that it's in. So again, if you make this too big, you can double click on the corner and it shrinks it. If I want to size this, right now that I've placed it in, if I want to size this, you can go up here in size, right? I could say negative 50%. No, I went the wrong way. Let's go 50%, and it scales it. You can also use Command Shift, and that'll scale it visually as you do it, right? So that's one way to place it. The next way to place it is I'm going to place it inside the box. Right, so that's what we're going to look at next, is how to then take this to place it inside the box. So Command D and grab that one.jpg again. Now, I can't just click on that. I can just click right on that box and then it loads it right in. Now, that's interesting. It didn't allow you to do that in previous versions. So now you can, right? So I can click on that box, it knows where to put it, and it places it right in that box as well. Okay, great. So now from here, right, you can move this around inside that box, whatever you want to do. So just two ways you can place images inside of Photoshop or inside of InDesign. Next thing we're going to kind of look at is how to place multiple images and stuff like that.